In 1961, Stanley Milgram conducted the Milgram Experiment to study participants' obedience to authority. The experiment involved participants administering electric shocks to others under the direction of an authority figure. The shocks were not actually real, but the participants were unaware of this fact. The experiment aimed to investigate how far people would go in hurting others when ordered by an authority figure. Participants were told that the shocks could be harmful, yet they continued to administer them. The study received significant criticism due to ethical concerns surrounding its methodology and the psychological distress it caused. Many argued that the experiment caused unnecessary psychological harm to the participants. The Milgram experiment sparked further discussions and debates about the ethical boundaries of psychological research. Critics advocated for stricter guidelines and regulations to protect participants from being subjected to potential harm. Milgram's research shed light on the power of authority and the potential for individuals to commit harmful acts under its influence. The experiment revealed the tendency for people to follow orders even if it goes against their own moral judgment. Milgram's findings challenged the common belief that only a few individuals are capable of inflicting harm on others. His work highlighted the situational factors that can influence human behavior, such as obedience to authority. The experiment demonstrated the importance of considering the ethical implications of scientific research. Milgram's study paved the way for stricter regulations and ethical guidelines in conducting psychological experiments. As a result, contemporary research must adhere to stricter ethical protocols to ensure participant well-being. The Milgram experiment remains a controversial and thought-provoking study in the field of psychology. It continues to stimulate discussions about the limits of obedience, ethical obligations, and human behavior in challenging situations. The Milgram experiment serves as a reminder of the power of authority and the need for ethical considerations in research. Since the experiment, researchers have aimed to find a balance between conducting valid experiments and protecting participant well-being. Milgram's research remains influential in understanding the potential for ordinary individuals to harm others under the influence of authority.